the loose bundle of the Bible Belt, the original gangster's paradise. This is Hot Springs, Arkansas. Hey, we're here at Hot Springs National Park. We got in yesterday. We started down in Austin, spent the night in Dallas, headed up to Clarksville for a wedding, and here we are.
At the hotel, we rested and we recovered. And we got ready to attend a wedding.
Beautiful venue.
The view is stunning. I have never seen fall colors like that before in my life.
Hot Springs. Here we go.
We made the 2-hour drive down to Hot Springs National Park to the Gulpha Gorge Campgrounds.
And here we are down here in central Arkansas.
We went to town to explore a little bit and check out the historic Central Avenue. We couldn't check out any of the historic Bathhouse museums because we walked around town and went over to the brewery in Superior Baths. You guessed it, an old bathhouse.
Superior Brewery at Bathhouse Road is the only brewery that I know of that uses the 140-degree hot springs water to brew their beer. They do it right here.
So we grabbed ourselves some flights and some fried foods.
So there's about 550 acres of land here in Hot Springs Park, which actually makes it the smallest national park we've got. So we're here at Site 28, and let me give you a little tour. Come on. Here, so we've just got our tents. We've got our little fire pit back here, concrete table you've got to pull in. Over here you've got water and electric should you need it. We are not in an RV, we don't need it. There's a gray water hookup over there as well. And then down here, and we'll show you, it's just a little river down here. A little creek running through here. I'm sure during the runoff it's a lot more, but yeah.
The next morning, we woke up to a freezing 31 degrees. So we decided to head into town and check out a local spot for coffee and breakfast. And then we went over to get in line at a bathhouse.
Hot Springs, Arkansas is home to some 47 hot springs. Most of them are capped now, but it still pumps around 50,000 gallons of water a day. One of these historic bathhouses here is Gulpha Bathhouse, and we're gonna go enjoy some soaking.
It was really relaxing. I really liked the one that was 105, 104. Still can't believe they use 4,000-year-old rainwater, I guess, to fuel these. It's just wild. We're soaking in ancient rainwater. It's pretty cool.
In the 1930s, Hot Springs was home to gangsters, illegal gambling, prohibition-era drinking, and this is the Ohio Club, where they've been doing it since 1905. In fact, next month they're celebrating their 120th anniversary.
Which makes it a great spot to check out some history and grab a drink.
And you could be sitting where the most famous people may have sat.
On our last morning in the Valley of the Vapors, we went up to Hot Springs Mountain.
Original leaves, you see.
The Hot Springs Mountain Tower, built in 1983, sits on top of Hot Springs Mountain.
A long series of bathhouses, built to bring the hot waters of the federally protected springs to visitors, with varying degrees of luxury. The first structures built for this purpose were put up in the 1800s, but none of those structures still stand.
216 feet up above the treetops with the History of the Town Museum. There's a wraparound deck offering incredibly breathtaking views of both Hot Springs downtown and the western Ochita Forest. Hot Springs National Park has just the one campground with 40 sites. You'll find trails leading back to town, private bathrooms, and a few spring-fed water fountains. But aside from a Jamaican restaurant and a strip club across the street, there's not much else around.
Wait, we don't have water?
We should go to that.
Strip club?
No, to the water thing. To get water.
Oh yeah, right now?
That's just my.
I
That's my.
I feel like that genuinely is what you
It's not the fire.
It sounds
It's not the fire. It's my
laughing.
mouth. Just go.